Hello guys, today I will explain about the procedure of a structural design. Here some basic tips which are required for the design of beam structure. There are mainly 8 important steps to be followed for the design procedure of a structure. So first step is plan of a structure. This step is the most important because an architect he makes the plan for the structure of the building. And second step is type of a structure. This includes which type of structure we want to construct. It may be concrete structure, steel structure, or wood structure. The structure maybe depends on the design of a structure. This step is the initiation of a construction after deciding the type of the structure. And third step is assuming member size. This includes beam and column. These are the two structure elements. Beam include width and depth. Also column dimensions are width and depth. And fourth step is applying loads. Whether it is dead load, live load or imposed load, snow load or wind load. After applying loads, we have to analyze the structure, that is shear, bending. We have to check how the bending moment changes in the structure and shear varies in the structure. We have to design our structure member. And the sixth step is structural design. Which means area of reinforcement or bar diameter. Which type of bar we have to provide. After structural design, check for allowable limits. And seventh step is check for allowable limits, which means deflection. In this, it means we should conclude our deflection in our structural member. In beams, we should compare with limits provided by the different cores. Beam defined should be less than this course. If this is greater, otherwise it would be repeat all these steps. After this step, we should repeat the third step, that is member size. After that, applying loads. We repeat the all those steps up to the check is okay. After this, last step is detailing reinforcement. Detailing reinforcement. This step is mainly for the ductility. If we providing good reinforcement in beam or column, we can increase the ductility of a structure. Hope you guys understand. Thank you for watching.